corners of my eyes on the things I've never done. Sheets are swaying from an old clothesline like a row of captured ghosts or old dead grass. It's never much, but we've made the most. Welcome ships are launching from my chest. Some have names, but most do not. If you find one, please let me know what piece I've lost. Peel the scars from off my back. I don't need them anymore. You can throw them out. Keep them in your mason jars. I've come all my nightmares escape my head. Bar the door, please don't let them in. We were never supposed to leave. Now my head's splitting at the seams, and I don't know if I can.
Unbelievable, mate. I can't believe all this is here. Sorry about the beginning, mate. I didn't anticipate being anywhere. I was in high range, and I didn't anticipate anywhere near that side.
Just keep it more clear.
Yeah, well, once I got out, and as I said to Jen, I could feel it. This is where the manual's a big downfall.
Oh,
Because as
absolutely.
soon as I change gears, boom, like you really, yeah.
You're
But,
better off taking off in second gear because then you don't have to change up.
well, I'm gonna obviously try.
Yeah.
You know, I've got to learn. Like I said to Jen, the last time would have been bloody, before Taylor was born at Fraser Island. But see, I was in low range then, fourth gear. Yeah, so you know I can try different things. But how good's this? I never knew this was here. I'd come down here a hell of a lot more.
You want to go just down here?
Yeah, that's perfect, mate.
This year ride down there, I mean you can take it to the beach here, but it's out of the way here.
Yeah.
No one running around, no traffic sort of thing.
Yep.
Unless you wanted to go down further here.
That four-wheel drive down there, they're the people that ruin it. Spinning up the sand and trying to do donuts. Am I going to be able to do it?
Right?
Oh, I think I'll just wait for them. Hey?
dentist and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magician's assistant in their dream. And they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Is this movie that I think you like? This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself. She's been living on the highest shelf. And they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. I just wanna know if you're gonna stay. I just gotta know. I can't have it any other way. I swear she's destined for the screen. Closest thing to me.